Well, today, the mother of Pulse nightclub gunman Omar Mateen took the stand in the trial of her daughter-in-law, Noor Salman. Salman is accused of helping her husband carry out the attack almost 2 years ago. News 6 investigator Mike DeForest is live at the federal courthouse in downtown Orlando. And Mike, you were in the courtroom, and Mateen's mother was starting to cry in court.
A little bit, Justin. Omar Mateen's mom walked into the courtroom, sat down in the jury box, and one of the first questions she was asked was to point to her daughter-in-law, Noor Salman. Well, Mateen's mom didn't immediately see her, looked around the room for several seconds, looked into the jury box. When she finally saw Salman sitting at the defense table, Mateen's mom definitely began to tear up a little bit. Shortly before that, jurors heard a lot about the couple's text messages. Nearly 8 hours before Omar Mateen opened fire inside the Pulse nightclub, his wife Noor Salman sent him a text message. It read, "If your mom calls, say Nemo invited you out and Noor wants to stay home." 4 minutes after Mateen received that text message, he called his mom, seen here leaving court today. She testified that her son did in fact tell her that he was out with his friend Nemo, something the mother later learned was a complete lie. Prosecutors contend that Salman aided her husband by creating that so-called cover story.
The government's theory is that that shows that she knew what his plan was and had a planned story with him.
Today, jurors learned that Salman deleted that text message from her phone shortly before FBI agents seized the device. Jurors have also been hearing more about Salman and Mateen's shopping spree days before the Pulse attack, spending almost their entire yearly income buying up jewelry, clothing, and electronics. Sometimes the couple shopped together with their son. On other occasions, witnesses say Salman was in the store alone, using her husband's credit card. Now, an employee of PNC Bank testified that the day after the Pulse nightclub attack, she received a phone call from Noor Salman. In that call, Salman reportedly asked how she could get money out of her husband's checking account, saying that she needed money to help feed her son. The bank employee told Salman reportedly that she had to bring in her husband's death certificate.